What's up? I'm looking at tab collection reports.
Hey, we need you to get down here to the Kinnickinnick River. It's overflowing with slime.
Wait, what? What do you mean it's overflowing with slime?
We got a report of a green ectoplasm building up on the river.
No, 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 no. Calm down. You guys are more than capable of handling this on your own. Today's my day off.
Yeah, you don't understand. This stuff is everywhere.
I can't come down there. I'm trying to finish up the tab collection contest at the Ronald McDonald House. I'm busy. I tell you what. Bring me back a sample. I'll analyze it. But I gotta go, okay?
Look out! Shout!
Jeez. It's hard to find good help these days. They just expect you to do everything. All these reports look pretty good. Alright, now where was I? Back to working on my tan. River of slime. That's rookie stuff.
Just look at him there, just kicking back while we get hit with a giant wave of slime. How's that fair?
Well, he did say he wanted a sample to analyze.
I hope I don't lose my patch over this.
I'm the co-founder. He'll be fine.
It's slime time.
There's your sample.
Yeah, I probably deserved that.